Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create this type of simple part in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. But before continuing further, it is requested that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. First of all, we need to have a sketch. For that, click on front plane and then select sketch. Now draw a line. Need another line. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these lines and make them equal. Similarly, for these lines, make them equal. Now select 3-point arc and draw it on these points. Now select a point and place it on this point. Now define by smart dimensions. This distance is 18 inch. This distance is 6 inch. Now add this distance, which is 1 millimeters. Distance from this line to this point is 80 millimeters. So our sketch is now fully defined. Go to Features tab and then select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion is 10 mm, so press OK button. Now again zoom in and select this face. Now select sketch. Make normal to. Select line and draw it. Now define it. Six inch. This distance is 12 inch. So once again our sketch is fully defined. Go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base command. We need to extrude this sketch on this direction. So for that, click on this button, reverse direction. Extrusion is 10 mm, so press OK button. Now zoom in and select this face, select sketch. Drop down this arrow, Extruded Boss Extrude to, and select this sketch. Press this button, convert entities. Again go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. So reverse the direction and press OK button. So our part is now ready for manufacturing. Thanks for watching and sparing time. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.